Hi, this is Oking Habib with Best Dressed Man in Texas. I just want to show you guys how helpful my guy Richard Pandey is with Etsy. He did a very good job for me. He walked me through, and when I couldn't understand whatever I was doing in the beginning, he helped me out, and he took his time to show me, send me videos. I just want to tell you guys, if you need help with Etsy, look out for Pandey. This guy right here, he is the man with Etsy. He is very helpful, he's patient, and he's loyal. He check back on me and make sure that everything is working fine on my shop, on my site. Thank you very much. Richard Pandey, you are the man. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate you. God bless. Bye.